Hey guys, so this my Jaboticabas. They're growing right now. Pretty new leaves. So this one is my Novak. That's a Novak Petranta. Good size trunk now. They're growing. Lots of weeds. I just left the weeds right there. This one, I'm not sure what this one. Anyone could identify it. They sold this one as Grimal, but it doesn't look like Grimal. It's the leaves are a bit thinner than the Grimal, longer leaves, different looking, but I'm not sure. So that's, they call it Grimal. I'm not sure. So actually the next one would be Restinga. So this is a Restinga. It's growing pretty good. Oh, this one is the special one. I'm very excited on this one. I got this one last year. So this one is the anomaly. It's the grafted one, anomaly. So that's a graft right there. So that's the anomaly. Jaboticaba. I'm excited. And the next one would be, this one is a scarlet. It's a matured rooted scarlet. So I actually got like about 3 fruits of this one from last year. It's also growing. And this one is another scarlet. Haven't fruited yet. Hopefully this year. Good size trunk already. Yeah, that's the scarlet. And another scarlet right here. Good size trunk too. And that's a scarlet. This one, it says Coronata Rajeda de Bahia, Plinia transiflora. Very pretty new growth. It's growing. This one is a Eugenia. I'm not sure what's this. Eugenia ayukoche. So that's a Eugenia. And that's another scarlet. All of those are right there. So the red hybrid Jaboticaba. And this one, it's Pitomba. This one, Pitomba. Another one here, it's the white Jaboticaba. So the Oriana. They have big leaves. Jaboticaba. It's crazy leaves. Look at the leaves of this one. Alright, this one is the Oblongata. This one, another one is SLQ. One is the Sanford. Another scarlet. And this one is a Eugenia. The privet stopper. Very small ones. This one, it's growing. Looks horrible. It's winter. It's the Lestra. Jaboticaba Lestra. Another 2 Oriana right there. And this one is the Taiwan hybrid. It's also growing. Oh, this one is so excited in this one. Look at the growth of this one. This is the Novak that I grafted from my Novak, and they're really growing like crazy when it's grafted, like with the Savara. Look at the growth of that one. Amazing growth. Okay, another one is the Restinga. Another Restinga. I noticed with the Restinga, I'm not sure, but like there's some shiny leaves, and there's like this another Restinga, not shiny leaves. I'm not sure if they're the same. all the wind just rip off all the leaves, but now it's growing back. So nice growth right here. It's also a grafted one, so I bought this one grafted, so I'm excited. It's going pretty good. I think it tripled its size when I bought it last year till now. Alright, this one, pretty looking one, new growth everywhere. It's the Sabara. I know it's a long way to go, but it's in the 45-gallon wine barrel. It's the Sabara, and it's really pretty. Okay, this one is another one. I think this is the Sirana. This is the Sirana. Nice color leaves, very red. Very red. And this one is the Peruviana. So red. A little bigger leaves. Peruviana. Alright, so the next pretty one. Look at all the growth. New leaves. Hopefully will continue. It's a red hybrid. And it's fruiting already. I just replanted it on a 45-gallon wine barrel. So we're in starting March and it's already flowering. So I got this one from Flying Fox. It fruited last year and then hopefully it'll continue. Good size one. So second year fruiting. Nice healthy growth. Another red hybrid on the ground. Yeah, I planted one on the ground. This one just recently planted. Adjusted pretty well. New growth everywhere in this one. So this one also is on the ground. My Grimo, Jaboticaba. New growth everywhere too. And the last one, another Novak, Jaboticaba. Lots of plenty leaves in it. New growth. When we have those strong winds, all the leaves just rip off, but now at least it's growing. So that's all my Jaboticabas. They look good after winter. Yeah. And all those are seedlings, red and Sabara, and some small ones right there too. But yeah, all right. Can't wait for springtime. All right, guys. Happy weekend, everyone. Bye for now.